What if everything you see, touch and feel is not real? What if our entire universe is just a simulation, running on some advanced computer far beyond our understanding? The idea that we might be living in a simulated universe isn't just science fiction. Some of the greatest minds in science and philosophy, including Elon Musk and physicist Nick Bostrom, have considered this possibility. In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed the simulation hypothesis, which suggests that if civilizations in the future develop highly advanced computing power, they might create simulations of past civilizations, just like how we create video games today. And if they can do it, what's stopping us from already being in one? Some scientists believe we may already have clues that suggest we're living in a simulation. Here's why. Just like how a video game has pixels, our universe has a fundamental limit: Planck length, the smallest unit of space. Could this be the resolution of our simulation? Quantum mechanics shows that particles behave differently when observed, as if they know they are being watched. Is this a sign that the simulation only renders reality when needed? Our universe is deeply mathematical, almost like it was programmed. Scientists like Max Tegmark argue that reality is based on mathematical structures, just like a computer simulation. If we are inside a simulation, who is running it? There are several theories. Advanced humans from the future, highly intelligent alien beings, an unknown higher power. Could déjà vu, the Mandela effect, or unexplained anomalies be glitches in the simulation? Some believe that unexplainable events could be signs that the simulation is breaking down. The Mandela effect is a strange phenomenon where large groups of people remember something differently than how it occurred. For example, many people recall the popular children's book series as the Berenstain Bears, but it's actually spelled Berenstain Bears. These collective false memories make us question the nature of reality itself. If we are in a simulation, is there a way to break out? Some scientists suggest that if we could find the source code of the universe, we might be able to manipulate reality itself. Imagine hacking into the fabric of our existence, much like in The Matrix. It's a mind-boggling idea, isn't it? So are we real? Or are we just lines of code inside an unfathomably complex simulation? If this is a simulation, does it even matter, as long as we continue to experience reality as we know it? These are questions that challenge our very understanding of existence. What do you think? Are we living in a simulation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending space theories. Your thoughts could help us unravel the mysteries of our universe.